Beneath the waves, a hidden force moves constantly, shaping life across the planet. These are ocean currents, Earth's underwater rivers. Ocean currents are powerful flows of water within the seas. Some are warm, others icy cold. They're driven by wind, Earth's rotation, and differences in water temperature and salinity. These currents can be surface level or deep and slow, traveling like conveyor belts through the ocean. Currents help regulate Earth's climate. Warm currents like the Gulf Stream keep places like Europe milder. Cold currents bring nutrients and even influence rainfall. Without them, weather patterns would collapse.